Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix infinite loading screen on Apex Legends. So first of all, open a browser and then you need to look for apexlegendsstatus.com and look if there is no reports on that particular time that you're playing. If the report spikes out, probably the servers are down. So what you need to do here is just to wait. Another quick solution that you can do here is to just unplug all the USB that you have, because sometimes it conflicts with the game. I know why and when. If you're using external hard drives, maybe USB microphone or something like that, try to disable all the peripherals that you're using with an USB controllers, and then look if the problem persists or not, and if this is an issue or not. Right? If you're playing on Steam, some players reported that on Steam when they basically play the game in invisible mode here, they cannot basically getting infinite loading screen. So just go online and then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then I will show you more things here. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then on this window, you need to write ipconfig /flush DNS. Then another command is nesh winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer. Then you need to go to settings. Then on settings, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then reset your network, right? And if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And while computer is restarting, try to disable and enable your Wi-Fi. Just restart your router, or disable or plug it and unplug it your Ethernet cable as well. Next, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, find your internet connection, expand it, go to more adapter options, edit. Then you need to go to Internet Protocol version 4, select it, and then select use the following server addresses and select 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, depending on where you got the Apex Legends, if you got it on Steam, you just need to go to Steam, then library, right click on it, properties, and then hit browse, right? If you have the game on EA, you just need to press on Apex Legends, manage your properties, browse, and then open up this, and then make sure R5 Apex EXE is on, as you can see here, running as admin, and R5 Apex DS12 also is running as admin as well, right? And also, if you're using some sort of third-party programs like Revast or DS4 Windows, try to disable them and don't use when you play the game, and look if the problem persists or not. But it should fix your problem, right? So that's pretty much it.